can't tell me nothing. I bees in the trap, bees in the trap. I bees in the trap, bees in the trap. Bitches ain't shit and they ain't say nothing. 100 motherfuckers can't tell me nothing. I bees in the trap, bees in the trap. I bees in the trap, bees in the trap. Man, I'm been dead. Man, I'm been popped out. And if she ain't tryna give it, then she get dropped out. Let me bust that booty, bitch, bust that open. Might spend a couple thousand just to bust that open. Rip it off, no joking, like your name Hulk Hogan. Niggas move weight for sale for living Hulk Hogan. Bitch, I spit that crack, like I'm in that trap. So if you need a hit, then I'm with that back.
Snapbacks and tattoos, snapbacks and tattoos, nice whips, fly chicks, all that is cash rules. Snapbacks and tattoos, snapbacks and tattoos, nice whips, fly chicks, all that is cash rules. Something that you ain't custom to, no flexible, adjustable, no adjustable. This is for my ladies and my brothers getting crazy with your bodies marked up like a train back in the 80s.
No voy por el país de las maravillas.
It's hard to yell when the back rails in your mouth. Bring them out, hey. Bring them out, too. Bring them out, hey. Bring them out, yeah. Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2. You wanna beat this thing, what you gonna do? Pretty sure gonna say nothing too good to do. My nuts too large, you way too fresh. Work well with guys, AK and text. You can check the lane like a game of chess. You wanna beat to the brain space. Standing in your work.
Hopeless. Like nothing can save you. And when it's over, then it's gone. You almost wish that you could have all that bad stuff back, so that you could have the good.